Hello everyone. This session is combined session for class 5th and 6th because the topic which I am going to explain in this session is in the syllabus of both the classes, class 6th and 5th as well. Okay, as far as class 5th concerned, we have studied what is Indian number system, how to give comma, how to read those numbers, how to write those numbers, clear? What is successor, what is predecessor, how to find out larger number, smaller number, how to arrange the numbers in ascending order, how to arrange the number in descending order. ठीक है? As far as class 6 concerned, up to this time we have talked about how to form the greatest number, means building numbers we have talked about from given number of digits, how to form bigger number or smaller number, or whatever conditions you have given to construct any number, how to form that we have discussed. Clear? Now see, this is very easy chapter for both the classes and some part of this chapter is same. जैसे क्लास 5th को पहले था कि हाउ टू फॉर्म द अरेंज द नंबर इन असेंडिंग एंड डिसेंडिंग, वो अभी क्लास 6 को बाद में है. क्लास 6 को जो पहले था वो अभी है. सो आई विल शेयर बोथ दीज वीडियोस ऑन बोथ द ग्रुप्स so you can study it accordingly. ठीक है? Now come here. International number system. In the beginning I told you that there are two number systems, that is Indian number system and international number system. In for class 5th and 6th both, in your previous class you have studied the number system very well. That may be up to 10 lakh, that may be up to crore, or that may be up to millions only. ठीक है? Now as you all know, the first column in this is known as periods column. This is the first, this billions, millions, thousands, ones which I have written, that is known as periods. वो क्या होते हैं? Periods होते हैं. और उनके अंदर जो भी ये सब columns होते हैं, that are known as places. What that is known as? Places. These places help you to find out place value of any particular number. Clear? See what I am telling? I am telling that these places helps you to find place value of any particular number. ठीक है? And what it is? What I have written this 10 raised to 2, 10 raised to 6. 10 के ऊपर मैंने 2, 3, 4 ऐसे क्यों लिखा हुआ है? Actually, when you are writing a bigger number in the form of multiple of 10, for example 1 2 3 4, 10,000 I have written. If you want to write this 10,000 in short form, then it is written as 10 raised to the power of 4. 10 raised to 4. 4 कहाँ से आया? There are 1 2 3 4, 4 zeros, that's why 4. उसका 4th power. When up to 1000, 10,000 lakh, okay, but when you are writing bigger number जिसमें बहुत ज़्यादा zeros आते हैं, that time this exponent form is useful for us. For example, if you have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 16, like these numbers. So how can you write this you can simply write 10 raised to the power of 16. Both are same. दोनों का मतलब सेम होता है. ओके? क्लास 5th it may be new for you, but in upcoming class you are going to learn about it. So just keep in mind, when you are writing a number and that is a bigger multiple of 10, that time you can write that number in the form of exponent and power. 10 raised to the power of 4. 4 जितने zeros है वो 10 के सर पे जो भी नंबर होता है, that is called as power. And how to write that? That is written on the basis of number of zeros. जितने number of zeros होते हैं उतना नंबर आपको 10 के सर पे देना है. You know, like 10 raised to 4, 10 raised to 5, 10 raised to 9, like this. Clear up to this point? Okay. Now moving towards the actual number system, for class 5th you have up to millions, okay, and for class 6th you have up to 10 billion. Starting from one's period of international number system, this period has 3 places: ones, tens, hundred. Move onward, thousands period. This thousands period is also having 3 places named as thousands, 10,000s and 100,000s. Then you have millions period. Millions period. What that contain? That contain again 3 places: millions, 10 millions and 100 millions. Up to this millions period, the numbers international number system of class 5th is over. इसके आगे 6th में कंटिन्यू होती है. That is having billions period. What? Billions, and that also contain 3 places: billions, 10 billions and 100 billions. Clear? I am repeating once again. See, one's period contain 3 places: ones, tens and hundreds. Then thousands period also contain 3 places: 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Then millions period also contain 3 places: millions, 10 millions, 100 millions, and at last the billions period also contain billions, 10 billions and 100 billions, 3 places. So what you notice in this number system is that in this number system, the method of giving comma in the given number according to period is 3, 3, 3, 3. मतलब हर एक पीरियड के अंदर कितने प्लेसेस होते हैं? 3. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, you have a number. This is the number. Starting from one's place, give the comma, leaving behind 3 places up for each period. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now count the places: ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. So what this number is? This is 23 millions 943,251. See, I am repeating. 23 millions 943,251. Clear? I will write in the word. This will written as 23 millions 940 thousands 251. ये थोड़ा लिखने में बड़ा है बट बहुत ही ज्यादा इजी. जितना ज्यादा बड़ा उतना ज्यादा इजी. You write down this example. I'll give you some more examples.